This is a 2006 SLK350. Currently working on something else right now. However, I just want to make a quick video on how to get to the thermostat and place it. First, obviously, you're gonna remove the intake hoses, then the radiator hose, and then from there, we're gonna move the fan out, which is easy. First, unplug at the bottom, and it's fixed in place with 2 clips. You just push down these tabs with a flathead on each side, and pull the fan out. After doing so, you move the drive belt by using a 17mm on the tensioner to pull it to relieve the tension. Then after doing so, you will remove this pulley with an E10 and then unplug this and then use an E12 to raise it right there and one at the bottom.